And now that we have our sidebar looking good, we're going to add a form to our contact page so our visitors can ask us questions or get in touch. So I've created a simple page for this example which we saw earlier, and it just has an image and some text on it with my address and phone number. Then I'm going to be adding the contact form to the bottom. So if you haven't already created a specific contact page, you might want to do that first, or you could always add it to the bottom of your about page if you prefer. But either way, once we have a page in mind for our contact form to go on, we can get started. So as WordPress doesn't come with the option to have a contact form built in by default, we're going to install a free plugin that will enable us to add one. So to do this, we just need to head back over to our dashboard by clicking our site title at the top. Then we can hover over plugins on the left hand side and click Add New. Now we're going to type Contact Form 7 into the search bar in the top right and install this plugin by clicking Install. It's only going to take a few seconds for the plugin to install, and once it's done we can click Activate. Then once the plugin's been activated, we just need to click where it now says Contact in our left dashboard menu, and that's going to bring us to this page where we can create or set up our new form. Now, one of the awesome things about this plugin is that it actually comes with a form already created for us, and it's a pretty universal form that's going to work for almost any website. It asks for our visitor's name, their email address, the subject of their message, and then the message itself. So to add this form to one of our pages, we just need to highlight, right-click and copy the text that's in this box labelled shortcode. Once we have our shortcode copied, we can click Pages in our left dashboard menu, and this is going to bring us to a list of all of our pages. Then we can hover our mouse over the page we're wanting to add our contact form to, and then click where it says Edit to open up the page editor. Now we just need to paste the shortcode that we copied wherever on the page that we're wanting our form to appear, and for me that's right at the bottom. Once we've pasted in our shortcode, we can update or publish our page on the right, and then when we visit it by clicking View Page at the top, we'll see that our contact form has been successfully added to our site.